So let's first double click this binary, and you'll see a main window of the system. So the first step is, of course, to import some mesh. And yeah, it supports various types of meshes. And let's import some OBJ included in the package. Yeah, and now you have your mesh in the system. Actually, there are a couple of different ways to import meshes. And first method is to just drag and drop the file from the Explorer, so you can easily start the system with this specific mesh file as the base mesh. Also, you could directly drag and drop a file from the Explorer into the window. This way you can also load the base mesh. So that's how you import base meshes. And now I talk about the camera control. So let's enable this mouse visualization. So camera control is done always when you're pressing Alt key, and then if you rotate, drag with your left mouse button pressed, then it's rotation. And if you drag with your right mouse button, it's scaling, or zooming in. And if you drag with your middle mouse button, then it's panning. And if you're not comfortable with using middle mouse button, you can also do this panning by pressing Alt and Control simultaneously and then dragging with your left mouse button. And also I have to mention how the center of rotation is treated in the system. So the center of rotation, as you can see, is changed when you finish panning. And it is updated to a position where somewhere in the middle of the screen is projected onto the 3D object. So now the center of rotation is around here, and if I want to, for example, bring it onto somewhere around the ear, like then I bring the ear near the center of the screen, and now the center of rotation is updated like this. So that's the basic part of SketchRetopo. Let me add a little more to the camera control. First, you can reset the center of rotation by pressing 0 key. And also you can disable this automatic update of camera center of rotation by unchecking this auto center option under the camera menu. So now the center of rotation is not, it's just translated when you do a panning, but it's not updated as in the way I explained before. Also, if you you can snap the direction of the camera to one of the standard directions by holding Alt and Shift simultaneously and finishing the rotation. So it's now snapped to the standard Z-axis direction, and so on. So this can be sometimes handy. Also, you can switch to slightly different camera control, which is called upright, under this upright menu, camera menu. And this is a slightly different control of camera, where the y-axis direction is always aligned to the screen's vertical direction. So and also you can do orthographic projection if you like, by checking this option. So that's all about camera control.